guys, it's Blaize.
Look down, you're talking to your highness. Can't see me, I'm the reason for your blindness. They tried this, but I'm too classy for your lions. Got my double cups up, that's the reason that I'm like this.
Before we get into this video, I have an announcement. These are authentic Betsey Johnson pieces. Me and my mother, Mama Blaize, are going to be selling Betsey Johnson jewelry, and I'm just giving you a taste of it now because if you guys are interested, I'm going to do a whole separate video. Basically, we have a ton of authentic Betsey Johnson jewelry that would be perfect for Christmas gifts or for yourself if you'd like. We have so much variety of different ones. We've got like these beautiful butterflies, we've got actual Christmas ones, we've got just beautiful, we got this really, I want this for myself, this really adorable frog, we've got stockings, we've got Santa, we got Christmas trees, we've got pretty much everything, and it is first come, first served. So that's something to keep in mind. If you guys are interested in all of this, then I will make a separate video completely on it. Just comment down below on this video that is something that you are interested in and that you would like to see more of. They are going to be extremely affordable, because you guys know this is a budget living channel, and if you purchase, you'll be supporting the channel. And yeah, they're just beautiful pieces, and we're gonna try with each purchase to put in a little free gift. So keep that in mind and let me know down in the comments saying yes, we are interested in the Betsey Johnson jewelry, or no, not interested in the Betsey Johnson jewelry. So just let me know down in the comments so we can get that underway. So in this video, we're kind of doing a 2-for-1 kind of video because this is a dupe there it is video, but this is also a affordable holiday gift set video. So we're gonna do 2 in 1. And as you can tell by the title, this video is the LA Colors matte lip kits that you can get at Walgreens for $4 a piece. They only had 3 shades at my Walgreens. I don't know if they have more in other Walgreens, and I was really upset because I was like, I can't find the name on here. But if you look at the very bottom, right in tiny little lighting, they do have names, so that made me happy. And when you look at the back of the box, you see the little window with the lippy and the lip pencil that you get with these. So I'm going to lip swatch these and try these out for you guys, and we're gonna see if it's worth it or not. Obviously, these would be dupes for the Kylie Cosmetics lip kits, but we don't have that kind of money. We'd rather spend $4 than what, $40 on one. So I don't know who you think you are, Kylie, but somebody needs to hit you. Now that I'm looking at the products themselves, I'm seeing they don't have the name, the shade name, on the pencil or on the lippy. That is so weird. But the first one we're going to be trying on is called A Tad of Tan, and it is this beautiful color right here. It is a beautiful pale nude. So we can swatch that. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like birthday cake. So there's that. And then we come with the lip liner. So I will swatch those two next to each other. That feels nice. So that is A Tad of Tan. So let's go ahead and swatch that on the lips. So this is A Tad of Tan with the lip liner and the lippy. Not too impressed by it, to be honest, especially the lip liner. I did not like the lip liner much at all. It was very messy and very skippy and very sharp, and it just, I have much better lip liners than that one. But the color's pretty. It's not like wowing me, but it is nice. It's comfortable on the lips. I'm gonna give this one 3 Wicked Little Devils. we're gonna do each one individually and then all together how much I feel about them. This one gets 3 Wicked Little Devils. So this is a tad of tan. The next one we have right here is in the shade Naked Truth. I do love the packaging. I love, again, the holographic like they did with the lip wardrobe, and I love the lip here, and there is the lippy on the back. So let me get my scissors. You're not my scissors, you are my fan brush. It's a little different, you know, just a little different than scissors. So here is the Naked Truth. This one looks like it's gonna be one I'm really gonna like. So let's swatch the color first. Here is the color. It is like a light pinky nude, I would say, by the looks of it. Peachy nude. Oh yeah, definitely a nice peachy nude. So we got the color, and let's do the lip liner right next to it. Ooh, this one feels a lot better than the other one so far. So this is the Naked Truth right there. So let's go ahead and swatch these on our lipperoos as well. So this is the Naked Truth, the lip liner and lippy applied. I like this one a lot better. I would definitely give this one 5 Wicked Little Devils. I really enjoy this one. It's a better nude for me personally. And I love the formula of these. The formula is very nice and thin, so it's not like sticky and thick and gross feeling. It's very thin, and it dries down 100%. No transfer. So I really like this one. So we got one more to try on. The last one we have is called Vamped Out, and it is this beautiful vampy dark red right here. It looks like on the lips it would be more of a metallic, and I would have liked it to be more of a metallic, but it's matte. So this is what the colors look like here. So let's go ahead and swatch the lip color first. Right here is the color, and we're going to hand swatch this. Ooh, this is perfect for this time of year. It's like a dark burgundy berry wine color. So, and the lip, ooh, I think this is my favorite lip pencil we've gotten. So that is Vamped Out together. So let's go ahead and vamp out our lips. Honey. So this is Vamped Out. Again, I give this one 5 Wicked Little Devils. I love the formula. I love the color. It's definitely very Christmassy and Thanksgiving-y and all the holidays this time of year-y. So final thoughts and opinions. One of the things I don't like is that the names are not on the products themselves. I think that that is ridiculous that they're on the box but they're not on the products themselves. So that's kind of annoying, but whatever. I do love the formula a lot. It's drying, but not like over drying where it's uncomfortable. You can definitely put a gloss over top if you want. I usually like to do that. I like the colors. The first one has a lot of potential, but it would probably be better off mixing that with a different color if you wanted to make it lighter, or ombreing with it, whatever you want to do. But to me, is this worth $4 a piece? Yes, I will give these 4 Wicked Little Devils. The only reason I'm not giving them 5 is because the lip liners aren't the best. They're not bad, but they're not the greatest. And with the whole names and the packaging thing is just ridiculous. But 4 Wicked Little Devils is still really good, and it's still something that I would highly recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, then give me a big ol' thumbs up. Are you guys gonna go and purchase this, or have you purchased it already? Let me know that down in the comments as well. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. I don't know when this video is gonna be up yet, but I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. We're gonna have a good holiday season together, because I already have the giveaway for December, and it's a great one, I know from experience. So please make sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now, and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are, and I always have at least one free monthly giveaway. Definitely let me know down in the comments about the Betsey Johnson jewelry. I want to hear your opinions. I want to hear what you guys have to say. If you guys want to follow me on all my social medias and contact me that way, that's completely fine too. I'd love for you to follow me on all my social medias and be social with me on medias. So I'll talk to you guys very soon, and until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.